Pepe Coin holders, welcome to 2025. Here's why Pepe Coin went parabolic. What does Pepe have in store for the new year? We're going to be talking about that in this video. If you do hold Pepe or you just want to know more, make sure you guys are all subscribed right here on the channel. Smash that like button as well. And if you have not followed me on X, make sure you do that as well. But let's get down into it. Let's talk some crypto. Great way to kick off the new year. Let's look at the charts as well as, guys, let's get into why Pepe went parabolic and what is in store as we look for the first week of 2025 to continue on a more bullish note, right? We've seen a lot of green days, and right now, as we look into the crypto bubbles, I'm going to share with you guys what exactly is going on. All right, so let's talk about it. Let's get down into it. Always remember that what I talk about is not financial advice. Always do your own research and run it through your due diligence. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto. Just going to talk to you about my thoughts and what's going on in my head as it relates to my crypto. Okay. Also, I want to share with you guys kind of some other stuff with our partner within CoinW. Right now, top 15 exchange, spot and futures trading. The exciting thing about Pepe Coin, though, is CoinW is offering a $50 Pepe Coin airdrop just for signing up and creating an account. What you do is you click my link down below, follow those 4 steps, and not only will you get free Pepe Coin, you do get access to a free private professional trading group offered by professional traders at CoinW with daily insight, alpha, shorts, longs, swing trades, all that good stuff. But what you want to do is read their terms and conditions, understand their KYC policy, and make sure that CoinW is right for you and where you're located. And if all that stuff fits the bill, then get started trading today. Links down below. Okay, but back into it. Why did Pepe Coin go parabolic? Okay, well, first and foremost, the whole market is up, and Pepe Coin now at 21st in market cap, getting back above the 4020 line, trading at an $8.67 billion market cap. We're seeing a 7% surge. Now, this has been a recovery week, as in the last 7 days, Pepe is now up 18.3%. So it's been a good start to 2025. And now let's kind of talk about why. All right. So right now, as it currently stands, we did have a huge kind of regaining of territory, racing some of the losses we saw in December. Okay. And most notably, the reason why was, for those of you that do not know, Elon Musk, right, updated his X profile picture to a Pepe-like image. So, Elon Musk, the Doge father, for those of you that do hold Dogecoin and follow Doge as well, that's something where he's now getting involved within the frogs. So Elon and Pepe kind of going hand in hand now, being one of the more influential people, not just within the world, but within crypto. And that's kind of what we look into 2025. Will this stimulate a growing interest in Pepe? I've talked to you guys about it in a lot of my videos. Pepe Coin is one of my most bullish cryptos that I feel like if Ethereum is going to hit 4,000 or above, Pepe is going to be a direct benefactor of that. And I think that's where we could see Pepe potentially even entering a territory that's never been claimed, where it's always been Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in the top 2 in terms of meme coins. Can Pepe Coin beat out Shiba Inu and become the second crypto by market cap? Time will tell, okay? I'm still bullish about all those cryptos. It's not FUD against SHIB, but it's just a conversation that I don't think Pepe is done moving. Just my personal thoughts. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you guys tomorrow where crypto will be headed. If anybody says they can, they're full of you-know-what, and that's just kind of my mindset, all right? Like I told you, I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto, just sharing with you guys that I'm bullish on Pepe, okay? So that's kind of where we look into Elon Musk in the actual post, okay? And the previous engagement back in 2021 or 2020, all he said was one word, Doge, okay? And that was all it took, as Musk's tweet in 2020 preceded a surge in 2021 where Dogecoin became the largest meme coin with a market cap just over $47 billion, okay? Now, since Pepe Coin's inception, we've seen basically a near zero, reaching over 10 billion earlier this month, getting over 15x over the past year and becoming one of the best performing meme coins and cryptos for that matter, okay? But according to Into the Block, 70% of all holders, or roughly 178,000 people, are in the profit, okay? So that's good for a couple reasons. If they're in profit, yes, that potential for selling and taking profits does exist. But it also indicates a propensity for holders to hold, actually, than sell, because if they're in profit, they're going to be greedy. They're going to think that it's going to go higher, and they're just going to hold on, all right? A lot of the other investors have incurred losses, and the remainers are at that break-even point, okay? And that's kind of why I like Into the Block. A lot of great data. But in terms of this price analysis, this is the chart right now as it stands. Now, what does this mean for us as holders, okay? Well, we did have a huge uptick at the middle of November, end of November, into December, and then since sold off and then reclaimed some territory. But we are still in this upward channel dating back into the springtime of 2024. So if you zoom out and you look at the last 365 days for Pepe, the chart's bullish, the volume's there, and this is one of the reasons why I do like Pepe, because it's continuing that upward momentum over the longer term picture, okay? And that's kind of where we look into that coinciding with the 50% Fibonacci retracement point. Okay, that was a hammer pattern that formed within the TA, bottoming at that 40145, and that since then has been characterized by a nice resurgence since December 24th, where we did start trading above the 200-day and 100-day EMAs. Okay, given these indicators, Pepe is predicted to continue to rise. Bulls are targeting a high of 4028, which is about 33% up from here. Okay, some other catalysts that we have coming about will be Donald Trump taking office, getting sworn in on January 20th, and the FTX distributions that will occur shortly after. Some of the $16 billion will be reinvested into cryptos, potentially even boosting Pepe even further. Okay, so right now I think a lot of smart money is on Pepe. If you guys are into meme coins, I think this is kind of where it's all setting up for a huge 2025. I think the charts do back it up. Potentially, even if we want to look at it a little deeper, I will pull up my trading indicator right now as we look at the frog, and you can see Pepe on the trading view. We have flashed a bullish signal back in November, and since then, guys, we are on momentum down. But this is something where I look at this whole kind of viewpoint right here, and I'll draw a little circle around this. This is just all basically, in my opinion, a little bit of a volatile consolidation. You can see this ascending triangle that's being formed. Me personally, I think that we do kind of coincide. Now, I drew this chart way back before I even read this article. And this is kind of where we look into that narrative where that 403125 level really is setting up. And that's kind of where that teal circle is drawn right there. So this is kind of where I was before they even published this article. So I wanted to share that with you guys right here, right now on the channel. As always, guys, we'll cover Pepe Coin every single day. I appreciate you guys all being involved. Thank you for being part of the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below before exiting. Also, if you want to check out our friends at CoinW, sign up, get your free Pepe Coin airdrop, and start trading spot and futures today if it's right for you and you run CoinW through your due diligence. Okay, with that, I'll leave you. Have a great rest of your day. Let's continue 2025 on a high note, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.